Hi, I'm Mike. This is lesson 4. And we're going to use the E chord again. We're going to use the E minor chord. So that is open, 2, 2, open, open, open. So we're just using our 2nd fret on the 5th string using our 2nd finger. 3rd finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Now we're going to move these up 1 string. So it's going to be, so it's open. So we're not going to use the E string at the 6th string at all. We're just going to start from the 5th string, which is the A. So we're going to go open, 2nd, 2nd, open, open. And then we're going to carry on with that. And go back to the E. Now, the 3rd chord will be sliding up 1 more. And instead of doing that, we're going to use R. We're going to go from the 4th string, the D, keep the D open, then we go to the 2nd fret, 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then open 1st string. We're still using just our 2nd and 3rd fingers for the chords. Back down to the A. To emphasize is the fact that we're not playing all the strings on all the chords. For the E string, we start on the E chord, we start on the E string. The A chord, we start on the A string, and the D chord, which is that one, we start on the D string. Now, if you get fancy and want to use a bit of picking by picking different notes at different times, that's all there is for our 4th lesson.